Good morning, students. How are you all? I am Miss Farah, your science teacher. Today I am going to deliver the first lecture of your new class, class 2. This is your science book. You can see. Okay. Your first lecture is about human body. Unit 1, human body. You can see clearly a picture of a very cute boy, a body of a cute boy. Okay, as you know, the name of the chapter is human body. Now we will discuss about the human body. First of all, body has many parts. As you know, these parts are consist of some things like we can see these parts like eyes, nose, hands, skin, which we can see clearly on any human body. And some other parts are there in a human body. We cannot see brain, heart, lungs, and stomach. Can you see these parts? No, you cannot see. But these parts are inside the human body. And the eyes, nose, hands, skin, these parts are, you can see these parts clearly on a human body. Okay. The first page, page number 2, you can see this. Our human body has many parts. Each part of the body has a different role. Means from eyes you can see, from nose you can smell, from hands you can touch or you can collect or you can hold anything, or from skin you can feel. Some parts we can see like eyes, nose, hands, skin, etc. Some parts of the body we cannot see like brain, heart, lungs, stomach, but these are also the part of a human body. The related question with this text is you can see on page number 7. Look, page number 7. The first question is, name 4 parts of the body we cannot see. So you can clearly see the answer of this on your book, and I have written over here on the board as well. We cannot see brain, heart, lungs, stomach. And on the book you can clearly see some parts of the body we cannot see like brain, heart, lungs, stomach. Okay, today is the first day of your class, means your science class. So I think it's enough for today, means human body. You can clearly see a human body over here, and the parts which you can clearly see and the parts which you cannot see, but human body is inside this human body. These are parts are there. So thank you, class. Today is your first day and you will learn this text about human body as well as the first question and these things which I have written over here on the board. Thank you. Good morning, students. I am Miss Farah, your science teacher. How are you all? Okay, as you know that we are dealing with unit number 1, human body in science, and the topic of discussion today we are going to discuss, that is brain. Okay, I want to tell you about the brain, some facts, something that our brain is continuously working. Even when we sit freely, some thoughts are coming in our brain and some problems are here. At that time, our brain is finding solution of those problems. When we walk, it gives order to our legs to walk. If our brain will not working properly, then we are not normal, means we are considered abnormal persons, because our mind is not, or our brain is not working proper. Now we are going to discuss the topic brain. The brain is found inside our heads. You know that brain is inside our head. As you can see over here, this is our brain. Okay, it is inside our head. Okay, all the things we do are controlled by the brain. As I have told you earlier, that everything which we have done, or we are doing, or we want to do, means everything is under control the brain. For example, we use our brain while walking, speaking, eating, even sleeping. Means every time our brain is working continuously. Our every action depends on the order of our brain. Clear? The brain helps in storing facts and figures and identifying different smells, tastes, sounds, and textures. Means everything we are bound to obey the brain. Means everything is recognized by the brain. For example, the brain is always busy. It gets messages from all our senses and decides what to do about them. Clear? Means brain is the responsible for everything. So that's why brain is always busy and gets messages from all senses, from all our body parts, and give a proper order to the other one. It helps us to react according to the situation. For example, if we see something hot, our brain sends us a signal to be careful. Means how is it possible that that something is there that is very much hot? Who tell us that don't touch that thing? Our brain. Due to the order of our brain, we keep ourselves careful from that hot thing. Clear? Okay. Now there is a question. Question number 3. Look at page number 7. Question 3. Which organ helps us to think? It is related to the topic brain. So that's why question number 3 and question number 5. These two questions are related to this topic. So we will do this one. Okay. First one is, which organ helps us to think? Morning, students. I'm your teacher Farah, your science teacher, and the topic that we are dealing with is human body, unit 1, human body. And in this topic, or in this unit, we are going to discuss heart. A topic, heart. Okay, now we are going to read it. The heart is a strong muscle. Means heart is a strong muscle of our body. It plays an important role to keep us healthy. Means if it works properly, then we feel healthy. Means it plays an important role to make our body, to make us healthy. It pumps blood around the body. Means the function of the heart is to pump the blood around the body. The main function of the heart is to pump blood around the body. Clear? The blood provides oxygen and nutrients to our body. Nutrients mean those ingredients which provide energy. Clear? Those ingredients which provide energy. The blood provides oxygen and nutrients to our body. The size of our heart is about the size of our fist. And what is the meaning of fist? Fist means when you close your hand and the condition or the posture of your hand is like fist. Means it is like now fist. So the size of a heart is like your fist. Okay. Some amazing facts are there about this heart. A human heart beats about 70 times in a minute. Means 70 times in a minute a human body heart beats. Whereas an elephant's heart beats 25 times in a minute. Mean there is a difference between a human body or elephant. Means elephant's heart beats 25 times as compared to the human, and human heart beats 70 times in a minute. Clear? Your heart beats as it pumps blood. Place one hand over your chest. Mean it's your experiment. Like if you place your hand on your chest, and do you feel something? It is called heartbeat. Means a heartbeat, you will check heartbeat when you put your hand on your chest, then you feel the heartbeat of your heart. For example, when we come to know whether any person is alive, we check his heartbeat whether it is normal or not. Means if it is normal, then the person is healthy, or it is not, he is normal. But on the other hand, if the heartbeat is too much increasing, means means it is increasing up to 70 in a minute, or low up to, below to the 70 in a minute, so it means there is something problem in the heart. Clear? Some problem is there in the heart. Okay, now there is a question number 2 on page number 7. What is the function of a heart? What is the function of a heart? Okay, the answer is this. Look at this. What is the function of a heart? It pumps blood around the body. As I have told you earlier during reading that it pumps blood around the body. The main function of the heart is to pump the blood around the body. Clear? Now you will do proper reading of it and do complete understanding of it, and keep this thing, that means this question, in your mind and write down in your copy. Write this question plus answer in your copy. Clear? Do proper reading. Thank you very much. Good morning, students. I'm your teacher, Farah, your science teacher. Yesterday we have learned and we have read about the unit 1, human body. As you can see, this boy, are you remember? Okay, the parts of the body that we can see: eyes, nose, hands, skin, and the parts of the body we cannot see, like brain, heart, lungs, and stomach. We have read about this. Okay, do you have your proper reading of it? Okay, the next one, the first topic means skin. The first one topic about the human body or the organ of the body, that is skin. Okay, what do you think? Skin is the part of the body that we can see or that we cannot see? I think it's clearly written over there on the top of this topic, and we have read about it, that skin is the part of the body that we can see. Okay, now we will read it. Skin is the largest organ of our body, the largest part of our body. Clear? Keep this thing in your mind. Skin is the largest, the biggest organ of our body. In addition to covering our bodies, it gives us a sense of touch. Means two purposes are there of the skin in your body. The first one is to cover your body, and the second one is to give the sense of touch. Means you can feel everything, the appearance of everything, with the help of your skin. So it gives you the sense of touch. It also protects us from germs. Clear? Means skin protects you from the germs. It doesn't directly touch your organs which is in your body. With the help of skin, we can feel if something is soft or rough or hot or cold. Means with the help of skin, you can easily feel the appearance of anything. For example, some pictures are given over here. Kitten. How sweet. Kitten is looking you. Okay, kitten feels soft. Means the baby of cat. When you feel it, when you hold or touch that kitten, then it feels you soft. Okay, the next one is cactus. Cactus is a plant. A thorns over there. Okay, cactus feels rough. Means you feel hurt of it. Means when you touch the cactus, it feels rough to your hand. Okay, what about fire? When you touch the fire, is it possible? Means it feels hot. Fire feels hot. And ice. Ice feels cold. And all these things are happened it because of your skin. Means you can feel all these things, whether it is rough, whether it is soft, cold or hot, with the help of your skin. Okay, today, yesterday I have given you the question number 1, name 4 parts of the body we cannot see. So before doing that, you have done in your rough copy. Now today we will do it on your neat copy. So first of all, prepare your page for your vocabulary words. Some vocabulary words are there which you have learned about, or you have read about these vocabulary words in this chapter, in this full chapter, in this full unit. Okay, 12 vocabulary words are there. Your first page should be your vocabulary words. Before writing any question in your neat copy, your vocabulary words page should be over there. The first one is skin, brain, heart, stomach, lungs, muscle, organ, breathe, protect, support. Okay, unit 1, human body. Question number 3, which organ helps us to think? Brain helps us to think. Okay, note down the answers in your copy. Okay, question number 5, what does the brain do when we eat something? When we eat something means when we eat something, what is the order of the brain to the body, to any body part? The brain sends signals to the stomach and it breaks down the food to digest that. Clear? Means when we eat something, the brain sends signals to the stomach that eating thing or food is coming in it. So that's why stomach is going to start and breaking down the food to digest it. Clear? Okay. Now our topic of brain is completed now. Thank you very much.